Hello, I'm your host, Tyler, TKIRKMEDIA, and today we're going through it. We're pulling some stuff off the car. We've worked on it kind of a little bit here and there at night, and I got some footage of that, and I'll sprinkle that in here. Starting this video off, basically we're gonna rip this car apart, dismantle it, and get some pieces off it that I can sell, and potentially make some money to get some money back to throw back into this motor. All right, so let's get to it.
She look cute on this.
Ctrl.
For the turbo back uninstallation, like, I had the head cam on and it was hitting the roof and it just wasn't working, so I opted out of recording the rest of that process. So since I didn't fulfill the entire process, I just left it out entirely. So yeah, PB Blaster's your friend on everything in terms of bolts and rubber grommets, and you'll be good. Otherwise, take your time and have fun. We're getting ready to go into actually taking the motor out, and there's a couple things I'll have to cover when I get to that point, but before I jumped into it, I just wanted to take a moment and ask for you to subscribe, because I need the subscribers so we could move on and get this channel moved up in the queue. So help me out, leave a sub, like, comment, something, anything. I don't mind, anything. Alright, so we're getting ready to chain her down, pull this guy out. But before we do so, if you have gotten to a point on your pulling your WRX motor and you just can't get it out and you're stuck and you're seeing like, what did he do differently? Guys, back here behind the starter bolt, or behind the starter in general, there's this plug. It's got an Allen key on it. It's a 10 an Allen key. This is the size of a 10. I don't know, 10 millimeter. I don't know what it's. How do you Allen key? Anyways, plug. Once you get this plug broke free, you can spin it off with your hands like I'm doing right now. Just kind of feel the outer perimeter, and this tool is kick-ass, man. This thing's saved me a bazillion times the time. So we got that. Here's the plug. Here's what it looks like. It gives you access to a little hole down there. You need something long and threaded long in that 10 millimeter fashion, and you're gonna take it and you're gonna put it into that hole, kind of feel around for some threads, and then once I get them threaded a few ways in, then we can pull right out. If it's easy, it's easy. If not, it's not. Sometimes, like this one's a lot easier than I've had than most. Okay, so I jinxed myself. As soon as I said something about it being easier, it started hosing me. Damn, I'm struggling as soon as I go to show you. Ah! And I pull it out to, bam, boom, pin. Yeah, so you can see how it kind of gets some like slimy stuff, some caked on dirty grease. So that's done now. So now I'll be able to actually pull this out without having any hang-ups, because if you didn't pull that, you would never get this motor apart from this transmission. Yeah, we should be able to just kind of pick it right out. So usually I bolt some chains to it, but I'm like feeling this like here. If I could get this somehow going where the hook is incorporated with the hooks, and I got 2 hook points, and it's long enough, then we'll do that. Otherwise, I'll go back to my normal method, but the hook seems quick and efficient. So yeah, we're going back to pulling this motor. Just a little sub note for you to help you get through this process. Hopefully that helped. Oh man, it's getting stuffed in here. I gotta get rid of some stuff. I gotta sell some stuff. We got a mess in here, per usual, TKIRKMEDIA headquarters. Which brings me to my next point, TKIRKMEDIA. I'm Tyler. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe for more, like for more, comment for more, because guys, it's that time of the evening. It's the end of the video. I wanted to get the coils off in this video, but I'm not quite there yet, so I'm just gonna end it with the motor and leave you with that bit of fun there. When we come back next time, we'll remove this harness bar, the coilovers, the interior bits, probably the harness, the transmission, all that fun stuff, the carpet. So we'll kind of keep continuing to gut this car, and then I'll probably take it off to the scrapper with Sugoi Boy or however we end up going about it. And yeah, it's a project. It's a project. It's a working project. I've been biking lately. It's been fun. It's been a lot of fun. I hope to do an update video by the end of the year. I think I'll do a year progress report. But I'm happy with the biking and how I'm performing, and I'm getting there. I'm getting comfortable. But I'm not gonna post as often because people aren't liking it, and I can tell. So once every often we'll do that. But anyways, thanks for watching. Per usual, subscribe for more. Thanks.